Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download movies or series to Netflix application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should select the profile that you would like to use, so tap on the relevant avatar. Now scroll down till you find the movie, TV show or series that you would like to download, or you can either type in the title of that item into the search bar by tapping on the search icon down below. So type in the title. And as you can see in the middle of the screen under the play button, there is the download button. So tap on it in order to start downloading the series. So now it has started, but you can cancel it anytime by tapping on the same button and then clicking on the cancel download button. You can see your downloads by going back to the previous page, either by tapping on the icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on the downloads icon down below. So here all your downloads will appear to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.